is automating. Businesses are replacing workers. Voices are being cloned. Lies are being multiplied, and entire systems are being rebuilt by algorithms no one can fully control. And where are the people of God? Where are the voices of fire, purity, and clarity? Most are still asleep, worried about comfort, entertained to death, arguing over theology while the battlefield burns. Let me tell you the truth. AI is not evil, but the hands that shape it can be. The data it feeds on is already poison, and the people building the future don't fear God. They fear nothing. They serve no one. They obey no law but the one they create.